lavitra zay midoko amin'ny parlaty eo ty. Na antegna mbo andeha hitady vola zegny ataoko anakory tsy eto zaza madiniky mianatra antegna tsisy tragno dahalo mafako mansy fontra amin'ny quartier ty.
Za tamin'ny cyclone ka bovoatra kefatra volana za cyclone avy. Mindra mbola tamin'ny vaisselle aho nivangana lafariny nagnanaovana mokary. Zegny namilomana tegna. Asa ataoko mangala 500 000 mitombo 50 000 isam-bola. Keka antegna aveka mbola mindra ndraika.
In Madagascar, 91% of the population lives on poverty. In addition to this, the country is exposed to climate shocks and natural disasters. So the population lives already with many vulnerabilities.
Rehefa tonga ireny loza ireny dia mitondra vary, mitondra voamaina, dia miteny le olona sasany zany hoe zay tsy vary io fa katsaka mazatra anay ohatra. Dika zay zany le zavatra hoentinay raisiny zareo tikano raisiny fotsiny satria io no hoentinay eo.
UNICEF is helping the government to build a social protection system that could help diminish those vulnerabilities, but also to make the system responsive to natural disasters or climate shocks.
Ny cash transfert zany nampiasaina tamina dingana voalohany tamin'ny taona 2014 tany Mampikony tamin'ny Tondradrano, 2014 tany faritra Sofia. Dia tamin'ity zany nivelatra bebe kokoa izy dia taty amin'ny faritra Analanjorofo ny tena nampiasana azy ary ny faritry Sava.
It gives them not only the force but also gives to them the decision power making on the family. This will lead to building resilience as well and to making them stronger when they face certain type of shocks. The impact of the NOW has had on the population is diverse. We will be selecting those that fulfill certain criteria and who are the most vulnerable, like single women, but also families with children, elderly, families with a disabled person, where we also see it has lower costs, but also a higher impact. We have a partnership with Telma Foundation, which is a telephone company here in Madagascar. Since 2015, they are the operating partner or delivering the cash to beneficiaries, but certainly we partner with the agency in charge of coordination Emergency Madagascar and also with the ministry in charge of social protection. So having these alliances between public-private partnerships and UNICEF has been very important for the good development of the program and respond to a crisis.
Le service a un coût et donc la Fondation Telma prend en charge ce coût, donc ce qu'on appelle les frais de transfert. Nous pensons qu'il faut vraiment valoriser ce type de service et ces outils pour favoriser le relèvement des populations sinistrées.
Andraiky sy ny rehetrarehetra zany ity fitantanana ny loza sy tandindony loza ity miara-minisala fanatotosana izany ny besin'ny maro.
Za fa tsy mindrambola eky fa zifafma ny vola magnampy za amin'ny fiterana, magnampy za amin'ny za mampiasa vola amin'ny mokary.
Raha ivangako akazon-tragno antegna amboariko tragno zegny programme fô magnano raha ka tsy vita mora. Fa vitako tragno mety herigna amin'ny laoniny ilay fiaignana.